Easy peasy pasta, ragu. For every pound of pasta, you use a pound of your protein. We're using lamb.
You make this for your mom or your sister, you use beef
I
instead
use
of lamb.
right, and I use
the lamb.
Impossible. So we're going to break up the meat in a little olive oil over medium to medium-high heat. And as the meat starts to crumble up a little bit, we're gonna spice it up. So, of course, we're gonna start salt and pepper, good amount of salt, good amount of pepper, a little red pepper flake, or this is ground red pepper. And we're gonna add a little fennel pollen or fennel seed or both. We're gonna grate in some garlic, and I'm gonna grab a food mover, my bench scrape, AKA, and I'm going to add in a little shallot. Start cooking down with the meat. And rosemary. John's gonna add the zest of the lemon, but we put the juice in at the very, very end. So we kind of made a quick little pan sausage. But see, we're not browning it. I just want the peas to cook out. Now, I'm gonna steal John's Prosecco and take a splash. You could use a splash of white vermouth or white wine. So we let that absorb, takes like 30 seconds. Then we're going to add a little bit of stock. I just kind of toss it around the pan. I'd say maybe half a cup to a cup. We have to drop the tagliatelle, which is gonna be very quick cooking because this is egg pasta, so it doesn't cook very long at all. And we salt our water liberally, right, when it comes up to a boil. I'm gonna drop these little nests in there, and we want to undercook the pasta. Why? Because when we combine the pasta with the sauce, we're going to continue to cook it. It's called carryover cooking, right? We drain the pasta, pop it back into the hot pot, and now I'm stirring in about 3/4 of a cup of mascarpone to make our sauce nice and creamy. And then I'm gonna marry all of the ragu to the pasta. What are we missing, honey?
Cheese.
Cheese, pecorino and parm, and the juice of the lemon that we zested, and pea tendrils.
Oh, that's just
ridiculous. All of that great aroma and fragrance and flavor. That's gorgeous. And then we're going to top it with all of that beautiful mint and parsley and a few more tendrils in the middle.